Hello, let's learn Vedic math trick to find square root of a number. Okay, so let's start. So, in order to find square root of a number, first what you should know is, first what to do, write down squares of number from 1 to 10. So, 1 square 1, 2 square 4, 3 square 9, 4 square 16, 5 square 25, 6 square 36, 7 square 49, 8 square 64, 9 square 81 and 10 square 100. Now if you observe these numbers, you will find that 1 square ends with 1 and 9 square ends with 1. Okay, so this becomes one pair. Then 2 square ends with 4 and 8 square ends with 4. So another pair. 3 square with 9, 7 square with 9, 4 square ends with 6 and 6 square ends with 6. So what we will do, we will just pair them up. So 1 we pair with 9 and 8 we pair with 2. Then this 3 we pair with 7 and 4 with 6. So there is only one number which ends with 5, that is 5 square. Okay. So now let's do some examples. Let's take first, let's try finding square root of 289. Now what you do is, just see, what we have to do is, we have to find a number whose square ends with 9. So 3 square ends with 9 and 7 square ends with 9. So what we will do, we will write 3 and 7. Okay, this is our first step. Second step is, what you do, leave 2 digits. Okay, and because we are finding square root, okay, leave 2 digits and jump to third digit. So this 2. Now what you do, you have to find, from here you have to find, okay, square of which number is less than 2 and square of which number is greater than 2. So if you observe here, 1 square is less than 2 and 2 square is greater than 2. So let me write 1 square is less than is 2 and 2 square is greater than this 2. Okay. So what from this we got first digit of our answer. So this one you write over here. This is your first digit of the answer. Now third step is, what you do, you have to take product of this 1 and this 2. So 1 into 2. 1 into this 2 is 2. Okay. Now what to do? Why we are doing this? Because we have to decide between 3 and 7. Which number we should take from 3 and 7. So this 2 is equal to product of this number, that is 2. So whenever the number is equal or greater, we have to consider the greater digit. Okay. So here we have to consider 7. So what I will do is, I will write 7. So what is my answer? What is square root of this 289 is 70. I hope you understood this. Okay. Now let me take second example. Let's find 324 square root. So what is the first step? First step is, I have to find which number, square of which number ends with 4. So 2 and 8, right? So I will say 2 and 8. Okay, I have to decide between these two. Second step is what? Leave 2 digits. Jump to third digit. Then what is the third step? what is the next step is you have to find, okay, number which is less than this and greater than this. So square of which number? See, again 1 and 4. So again we get what we write, 1 square is less than 3 and 3 is less than 2 square, right? So from here we got first digit of our answer, that is 1. Now in order to decide between 2 and 8, what we have to do? We have to take product of these two digits. So 2 again. Now what we have to do? 3, write this 3. This 3 is greater than 2, right? So because it is greater, which number we will consider? From here, I told you before, right? Whenever the number is equal or greater, we have to consider greater number. So 8. So this is our answer. Now let's take third example. Let's take square root of 1089. Let's find this. Okay. Now again, what we have to do? We have to find. Okay. Now I have told you. I hope you understood now. Okay. Which number ends with 9? Which square? See, 3 square and 7 square. So write 3 and 7. Next step is leave 2 digits. Right. Now next is what? Number 10. So now this is 10. Okay. So if you see, 3 square is less than this 10 and 4 square is greater than this. Okay. So what I have to do? Next step is what? 3 square is less than 10 and 10 is less than 4 square. So I got first digit as what? First digit of my answer is 3. Next step is what? Decide between this or this. 3 or 7. So what I will do? Sorry. 3 into 4. How much? 12. Right? So now this 10 is less than 12. So which number I will consider? Less, right? Because it is less, I will consider less number. Got it? I hope you are understanding. Okay. Now, next. Next, let's take square root. Let's try finding out 4489. Okay. So, what we will do again is same. This 9, which square of which number ends with 9 again? 3 and 7, right? Now what is the next step? Next step is to leave 2 digits, right? Then third step is jump to the other numbers. Now again we have to find, this is 44, right? So 6 square is less than 44. So I'll write 6 square is less than 44 and 7 square is greater than 44, right? So from here we got first digit of our answer, that is what? 6. Okay, write it down. Now what is next step? 6 into 7. How much? 6 into 7 is 42. Now you have to write this 44. Is this 44 greater? Yeah, 44 is greater than 42. So now which number you will consider from 3 and 7? It is greater, right? So yes, correct. 7. This is our answer. Let's take another example. Let's take 576. Okay. So again same steps. What you will do? Which square of which number and which 6? 4 and 6. So I will write 4 and 6. So what is the next step? This I did. Now next step, leave 2 digits. Now this 5. Okay. So now 2 square is less than 2 square is less than 5 and 3 square is greater than 5, right? So we got our first digit of the answer 2. Now next step is this 2 into 3. How much? 6. So then this 5 is less than 6. When it is less, you have to consider less number. Which is it? 4 or 6? 4, correct. Okay. I hope you understood. Okay. Now let's take one more example. Let's take 5 digit number 15625. Okay. Now again same steps. For 5, which number ending with 5? We have only a single number, right? That is 5. So it's 5. Then what is the next step? Leave 2 digits and then go to next digits. Now what we do here? Now we have to see which square of which number is less and greater than this. So I will write 12 square is less than 156 and 13 square is greater than 156. Okay. Now you got first number. Okay. So this is 12. Now what you have to do? 12 into 13. Even if you don't do this, it's absolutely fine because there is only one number ending with 5. But let's do it. It is 156 is equal to 156. Okay. So we write 5. I hope you understood this. Okay. Now it's exercise time. Exercise. Okay. What you do is try finding square root of 484. Then 6084. Then 1521. 20736 and 24964. Okay. What to do is try finding square root of these 5 numbers. Okay. I hope you like this video. Please hit like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos and updates. Thank you.